Sorry about the noise in the background. I'm tumbling more brass for reloads. The project turned out pretty nice. I think it looks alright. This is a dark brown. And sometimes you get that hint of light kind of shade at the top where it kind of does this cowl pattern thing. And it depends on what leather you use. It might end up with these little tabs and stuff. But this is just a double decker. Now I've made these before. I'll put a link below to the video where I did previously. But it's a bit fast-paced video, and it shows me doing this very unique because there's a larger flashlight, but it's this size. I do them all. They're usually all about this size. They'll all fit in your hand, and the clip functions really well. It works as like a swing, and you can also clip this same pick. It's pocket friendly, so you can clip it to the outside of your pocket and leave this whole thing dangling. And then that's why I like it, is because when I'm working, I can take this clip and I just clip it onto the your clip back here. Anyways, you take it and just clip it onto my pants, and then I just let it kind of dangle, and then I just reach in and grab the tools I need, and it's kind of useful like that. But every one of these I do them different. They're different multi-tool, different this. Somebody asked for a freaking Bic lighter. I had one project where it was, I just got done adding the leather dressing to that, and you can make your own leather dressing. It could be Vaseline or whatever, but a small Bic lighter like this, they'll find some use for it being in there. And I don't care for all that. I just wanted it to function. As you can see, it just sort of pops open, and then you just grab your tiers, which tool set you want. There's your tool set, and then you can just slide that. Well, if you see what you're doing. Me, I'm not really looking too good because I'm looking off to the side, but sometimes it's a little bit easier when I'm not having to hold stuff and fiddle stuff. You know what I mean? Alright, anyway, so I've got, let's see, try and grab this one here. Okay, just grab it and slide it out, and see, there's your other tier. There's two of those, and then you've got your other one right there. It's pretty neat. And that's a really huge ferrule rod. It's really nice. But hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys think it's pretty cool. Anyways, until we meet again, I gotta try and shove this back in here now. I got stuck. Trust me, there's nothing wrong with it. There it is. So, and you just shove it in there like that, and these will lay down. They just lay down when you pop it up. And I kind of like, still got some stretching to do here. There it goes. I kind of like that this is kind of on the side, because I might want to write something to space pen. So I need to write something. I just slide that off. And I need a flashlight. Then you can pop and get to it, or your extension. That's for your tools. But I was thinking about adding a strap around this, but it's hard to make a ramp. So I do these folds where it's a ramp, and it kind of holds the items in place if you go too far, kind of like the flashlight rides on it. And that's what it's meant for. It's meant to hold a flashlight or something. But it doesn't always go the way it's planned. But it's still, it all worked. Worked just fine, I would say, right? Alright. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless. Take care.